Vietnam continues to position itself as one of the world's fastest developing economies, yet the country is faced with poverty gaps and other troubling trends. Vulnerable children, especially those in remote areas, are facing significant challenges. In response, World Vision International in Vietnam has been strengthening collaboration with stakeholders to directly impact the lives of over 200,000 vulnerable children every year. With extensive experience in four main sectors, namely child protection and participation, health and nutrition, livelihoods, community engagement and sponsorship plan, World Vision International in Vietnam channels our efforts to ensure the well-being of children and their community. One of our focuses in the next 5-year strategy is empowering communities to improve livelihoods and living standards of some of the most disadvantaged people. In this context, the project Vietnam Transforming Household Resilience in Vulnerable Environments, or Thrive 2030, was created. Supported by World Vision United States. Thrive 2030 is expected to bring about 4 outcomes. 1. It starts with an empowered worldview. World Vision International in Vietnam enables participants to own the development and transformation process.
Tôi muốn là kinh tế gia đình tôi phát triển hơn thì con cái nó khỏe mạnh, gia đình thì cũng mới có cái sản xuất bền vững được ạ.
2. For the next step, households need access to financial services to realize their financial improvement plan.
Trước khi mà được tham gia các cái chương trình của tầm nhìn thế giới ấy, thì là cũng rất là khó khăn vất vả. Một mình hai vợ chồng tôi làm lo cho kinh tế cho cả gia đình. Công việc nó bấp bênh, không được đều và nên là được đồng nào thì hầu như là tiêu toàn bị làm thu thôi, nên là không đảm bảo được kinh tế.
Saving for Transformation, a World Vision model deployed at community level, makes microfinancial services accessible to vulnerable households. World Vision enacts its microfinance services through Vision Fund by providing access to credit, savings, and insurance to the most vulnerable households. Once households have higher incomes, groups have higher savings, which build resilience against future setbacks.
Từ sau khi mà được tham gia các cái chương trình của tầm nhìn thế giới ấy, gia đình tôi ấy, có những cái sự thay đổi đáng kể. Kinh tế ấy, thì là được hỗ trợ về con giống, rồi được tập huấn về phương thức chăn nuôi nó khoa học, tiên tiến, tiến bộ. Thì mình lập kế hoạch, phương án sản xuất để mình tránh rủi ro không đáng có, hoặc là thiên tai dịch bệnh thì mình có phương pháp để mà thích ứng hơn.
3. In order to amplify the effectiveness of household businesses, market linkages or local value chain development is utterly necessary. Local value chain development involves bringing smallholder producers together in groups to collectively improve their production, processing, marketing activities, and overcome constraints, such as poor market access and weak bargaining power. Thrive 2030 will also provide technical training, coaching, and professional support to enhance the knowledge and skills of producer groups. 4. Striving for continuous improvement, World Vision International in Vietnam, along with partners and stakeholders, works on improving the quality and scale of interventions to maximize impact for households. To enhance quality and increase scale, World Vision International in Vietnam facilitates stakeholders' engagement, documents good practices, monitors progress, and conducts evaluations to ensure adaptable, effective, and sustainable impact. Thrive 2030 is implemented in all 14 provinces, where World Vision International in Vietnam operates in the country. The project has a duration of 7 years over 2 phases. All project activity components will benefit over 60,000 households. Our model interventions closely align with the Vietnamese government's strategy for economic reform and development. At national level, World Vision International in Vietnam has established relationships with the Vietnamese government, who help provide guidance related to livelihoods development and host workshops and network events to increase the scale of the models. In addition, World Vision International in Vietnam consistently emphasizes the importance of gender equality, disability, and social inclusion. Women, people with disabilities, and other most vulnerable groups are always considered during program design, implementation, and evaluation. World Vision International in Vietnam helps to boost long-term household incomes by empowering people's worldview while improving access to resources, markets, and fair trade. This places them in a better position to feed and care for their children. As young children are healthier and better nourished, they're able to attend school and expand their horizons for a brighter future. World Vision, for children, for change, for life.